Most drivers think diesel engines wear out around 150,000 miles, but that's not true at all. A well-maintained diesel can easily pass 300,000 miles, and many go even further. The real problem isn't the engine, it's the habits people follow. Today, I'll show you the diesel maintenance habits that keep trucks and SUVs running strong for years. Let's start with the habit that destroys more diesel engines than anything else. Habit 1. Don't blindly follow manufacturer oil change intervals. Diesel engines generate more heat and produce more soot than gas engines. Waiting 10,000 miles between oil changes can be dangerous. Over time, dirty oil forms sludge, which can clog turbochargers, damage seals, and reduce engine life. Experts and seasoned diesel mechanics recommend changing full synthetic diesel oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, especially if you tow, drive in heavy traffic, or live in hot or dusty areas. Think of it as a small investment to avoid a repair bill that can easily run $6,000, $10,000. Habit 2. Take care of your transmission. Many diesel owners ignore transmission maintenance until it slips. By then, the transmission is often damaged beyond repair. Diesel trucks work harder, especially when hauling heavy loads, and the fluid inside breaks down over time. Even if it looks clean and red, microscopic metal shavings and varnish can silently wear out gears. The smart move is a drain and refill every 60,000 miles, or 90K for lighter-duty diesels. Always use OEM fluid Toyota WS, Ford Mercon LV, or the fluid your manufacturer recommends. Habit 3. Flush your coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Diesel engines run hotter, and old coolant turns acidic after years of heat cycles. Acidic coolant corrodes water pumps, heater cores, gaskets, and even head gaskets. Ignoring it can lead to white smoke, misfires, or hidden leaks. Flushing your coolant on schedule is cheap compared to the thousands you'd spend fixing a corroded engine. Habit 4. Replace the timing belt before it fails. Diesel engines are high-compression machines, and the timing belt keeps the pistons and valves in perfect sync. If it breaks while driving, pistons can collide with valves, causing catastrophic engine damage that costs thousands to repair. Most diesel engines need a timing belt replacement every 60,000, 100,000 miles, or every 7-10 years, whichever comes first. Even if you don't drive much, the belt ages due to heat, oil exposure, and engine vibrations. Don't wait for warning signs, these belts usually snap without notice. Replacing it on time is far cheaper and prevents total engine failure. Habit 5. Keep spark plugs and glow plugs fresh. Diesels rely on precise combustion, and worn plugs can reduce fuel efficiency, lower power, and make starting difficult. Replace spark plugs or glow plugs every 60,000, 100,000 miles, depending on your engine and plug type. Iridium plugs last longer than copper ones. Signs of failing plugs include rough idling, misfires, slow acceleration, or a raw fuel smell from the exhaust. If you pull a plug and see oil or coolant on it, that could indicate a bigger engine problem. Staying ahead of plug wear keeps your diesel running efficiently and prevents costly injector or cylinder damage. Habit 6. Replace the fuel filter on schedule. Diesel fuel often contains tiny particles, rust, or water that can clog filters over time. A blocked filter forces the fuel pump to work harder, which may lead to pump failure. Replacing your fuel filter every 30,000, 60,000 miles protects your fuel system and avoids expensive repairs. Older diesels need changes closer to 30,000 miles, while modern in-tank filters can last up to 100,000 miles. Always relieve fuel system pressure before replacing the filter to avoid fuel spray and work in a well-ventilated area. Regular fuel filter maintenance keeps your engine clean, smooth, and reliable. Habit 7. Flush brake fluid every 2-3 years. Brakes are one of the most overlooked parts of diesel maintenance, but they are critical. Diesel trucks are heavier and often tow, which puts extra stress on the braking system. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which lowers its boiling point. Old fluid can boil during heavy braking, forming air bubbles that make your pedal feel soft or spongy. This increases stopping distances and can even cause brake failure. Flushing your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years keeps your brakes reliable and prevents costly repairs. A simple brake fluid tester costs under $25 and can tell you if your fluid is still good. Habit 8. Service the differential and transfer case. Diesel engines often power trucks with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. The differential and transfer case move power from the engine to the wheels, and the oil inside them protects the gears. Over time, this heavy-duty oil breaks down and gets dirty. For most diesels, experts recommend changing differential and transfer case fluid every 30,000, 50,000 miles. To do it, drain the old fluid, refill with manufacturer-recommended oil, and ensure the fill plug is secure. Regular service prevents gear wear, expensive repairs, and ensures smooth power delivery to your wheels. Habit 9. Clean the mass airflow sensor, MAF. The MAF sensor measures how much air enters your engine, so the ECU can deliver the right fuel amount. Dust, oil, or soot buildup can cause incorrect readings, leading to poor fuel economy, rough idle, stalling, or hesitation. Before spending hundreds on a new sensor, try cleaning it. Disconnect the electrical connector, spray the sensor with proper MAF cleaner, let it dry, and reinstall. A clean sensor keeps your diesel engine running efficiently and prevents unnecessary injector or turbo stress. Habit 10. Replace the PCV valve regularly. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve keeps harmful vapors from building up inside your diesel engine. Over time, it can clog or stick, leading to high oil consumption, leaks, and rough engine performance. A stuck PCV valve can even blow out gaskets and seals, causing repairs that can easily exceed $1,000. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the PCV valve every 30,000, 50,000 miles. Replacement is simple and inexpensive, usually $10, $20. While replacing it, also inspect the vent hoses for cracks or leaks. A healthy PCV system lowers oil use, reduces emissions, and keeps your engine clean. Habit 11. Tire alignment every 15,000 miles, or when steering feels off. Diesel trucks are heavy, and uneven tire wear is common if alignment is ignored. Misaligned tires wear faster, reduce fuel efficiency, and can affect handling. Signs your alignment is off include pulling to one side, uneven tire wear, or a crooked steering wheel. Professional alignment costs around $75, $100, which is small compared to replacing tires early or risking an accident. Regular alignment keeps your diesel running safely, protects tires, and improves fuel mileage. Habit 12. Avoid cold revving. Cold revving is especially harmful to diesel engines with turbos. When the engine is cold, oil is thick and hasn't fully circulated. Revving forces metal parts to rub together without proper lubrication, which can damage pistons, camshafts, and bearings. Instead, start your engine, let it idle for 30-60 seconds, and drive gently until the temperature gauge rises. Avoid hard acceleration or RPMs above 3,000 until the engine warms up. Following this simple step can prevent costly turbo and engine damage. Bonus tip: keep a maintenance log. One habit separates casual owners from diesel enthusiasts: tracking maintenance. Write down oil changes, filter replacements, coolant flushes, tire rotations, and any repairs. Logs help spot patterns like oil loss, uneven tire wear, or recurring issues. They also build trust when selling your truck, showing that it's well cared for. A notebook or simple phone app is all you need to protect your diesel engine for years. If you want your diesel engine to last hundreds of thousands of miles, don't skip these habits. Start applying them today, and your truck or SUV will thank you with reliable performance and fewer expensive repairs. For more diesel maintenance tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. Your diesel deserves the best care, and we're here to show you how to keep it running strong for years to come.